Hey friends, if you encounter the error printer not activated error code 30, then please watch this video for the resolutions. So the first solution is obviously to run the printer troubleshooter. Right click on the start button and select settings from the menu, and then go to the system tab on the list on the left hand side. In the right pane, select troubleshoot and select other troubleshooters. Click on run corresponding to the printer troubleshooter. The next solution is to set the right PDF viewer app if you're using PDF. So right click on the start button and select settings from the menu. Go to the apps tab on the list on the left hand side. In the right pane, select default apps and then select Adobe Acrobat if possible and make it the default app for PDF files. So now it's the default app of PDF files instead of Firefox. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel, and if not, then let us know in the comment section of this video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.